Pranam everyone, this is Bholi Parihar. What pops into your mind when you hear the term box breathing? Is it a box or a cylinder? Of course, it's a box. In this section, we'll cover the various aspects of box breathing, which also known as the 666 breathing. We are going to divide this video into 4 parts and we begin with we'll learn first the benefits of the box breathing. In addition to this, we'll learn what is the science behind this box breathing. Moreover, we'll learn about the contraindications and what is the right technique to do the box breathing. So these are the 4 sections which we are going to cover. We have a bonus part at the end of the video and some study materials. So first let's begin with the benefits. This box breathing helps us to deal with the panic disorders. Second, collapse the stress and de-stress the muscles and your mind as well. Now, what is the science behind this box breathing? So, when we are in stress, our sympathetic nervous system activates and it's been too difficult for us to bring the focus on any goal, any activity. But if you try this box breathing, it will help you a lot. So it will help you a lot to slow down your breathing, also calm down your mind and relaxes your muscles of the body. Now let's discuss about some contraindications, which is the most important part of this video. Who have a hyperventilation and some back issues, try to do this box breathing with precautions. Now let's begin the video. With technique part. So you can sit or you can sit in any meditative posture with a cross-leg position. Make sure your spine should be straight upright. Gently close your eyes and make your both hands easy comfortably on your knees. Even you can make a Jnana Mudra with your hands in the beginning. In the beginning, take a 5 deep breath inside and the 5 deep breath outside. It relaxes your mind, unwind yourself and find the awareness around yourself. Inhale throughout your nostrils. Exhale completely. Inhale throughout your nostrils. Exhale. Inhale and exhale. Feel you're exhaling all the stress and tension outside. Try to relax your muscles, no pressure around your muscles and body. Awaken your inner peace, awaken the inner happiness. Make sure to make yourself comfortable in the sitting position. After making your mind settle, after stabilizing your body, now let's begin the technique. chale vate, chalam chittam, nishalam nishalam bhavet. So what is the meaning of this shloka? This shloka is basically related to our breathing. So if our breathing is fast, then it's difficult for us to relax down our mind. And this box breathing helps us to control our chittam, that means a thought process, which help us to stabilize the entire thoughts and de-stress the body. Now let's come to the bonus part. If you are a beginner, instead of doing 6-6-6 breathing, you can stick at the 3-3-3. That means 3-second inhale, 3-second hold, 3-second exhale. Similarly, gradually you can increase with a 4 and then 5. So it depends on the capacity. So this is one of the beginner tip or bonus tip. Now, I have one question for you. I would like to ask a question that how much water a body needs in a day. So comment down and do let me know that what is the right answer of this. And if you give the right answer, then I will drop you a heart. We'll meet again. Till then, have a sigh of relief.